Hey everyone. So, as you may have seen on Friday, the stock market dropped after President Trump announced that he was planning on putting tariffs on China and restarting the trade war that had hurt the market in the past year or so. So, a lot of people started getting fearful of the market as a whole, and the market sold off very strongly, especially the SPY and other companies like Boeing did not do well on this day. However, AMD is one of those companies that also ended up selling off a lot, but they only sold off around $3. And right now, they're at a price that is almost as high as they were before the crash. As you can see here, before the crash, they were at a high of around $59. And this push up that they were doing was absolutely insane. The run up was seeing no stopping signs. So once the coronavirus happened, a lot of people were very sad to see the stock drop all the way to $39. However, if you did invest at this price, you definitely got a bargain for this AMD stock. I feel like AMD is one of those stocks that at whatever price it's selling at, people are going to be saying it's cheap, buy in, buy in. So it shows a lot of upwards price momentum, and you can see that every time the stock crashes, it rebounds immediately, crash, rebound, crash, rebound, crash, rebound. And just because the market sold off in on Friday, well, obviously the stock can't keep pushing up just by itself. It is going to sell off a little bit. However, at this $50 price range, I feel that this is the cheapest that it's going to be in the next period of time, like in the foreseeable future, because the stock is not worth $50. They're probably worth around $60 to $65, and especially after the crash ends and after coronavirus stops affecting the markets, this stock is going to be worth an insane amount. As you can see here, I actually went in on two contracts with a $55 call. And unfortunately, I went in before the market was done selling off. So my contracts lost a lot of their value, almost half. But they're still having about a week of time on them. So I'm hoping that in the next week, the market shows a really strong rebound and I can actually make my money back on the contracts because if this stock pushes up even to $52, these contracts will come back to be worth what I bought them for because I didn't buy them at $55. I bought them when the stock was around $51, $52. So if they do rebound back to this price, I'll be making my full return and more. So yeah, hopefully in the next week this stock can recover with the market and do really well. But like I said, guys, this stock at $50 is extremely cheap. Like there's no way that it's not going to rebound back up to its price highs of $59 where it already literally hit its pre-coronavirus price. And a lot of the stocks that are hitting their pre-coronavirus price are very strong stocks. And if you see here the earnings for AMD, you can tell that they're doing very well even through the coronavirus. They've been at or above their price earnings target for every single quarter, including quarter one of 2020, where a lot of manufacturers were just not producing the same amount of electronics as before. And for this reason, I just want to say that AMD is a really strong stock. And if you do buy in at this price, you're almost guaranteed to make money or a return on your investment. Whether it be now in a month or in a week when the market recovers, you will be seeing a return on your investment. You can just tell by the strength of the price graph here and by their 1 year chart that this is an extremely strong stock. And as soon as investors got in on it, it started running up all the way to its actual price value of around $59. And as you can see after the crash, it ran up to that price again and it will soon be there in the near future. So I wish you guys luck with the stock and this is probably my top stock pick for the next month or so. So yeah, thank you and good luck investing.